Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to install TradingView on your laptop. Let's get started. First, open your web browser. You can use Chrome, Edge, or any browser you like. In the search bar, type TradingView Desktop and press Enter. Now click on the official TradingView link. It should say TradingView Desktop Application or something similar. On this page, you'll see a download button for different operating systems. If you're using Windows, click Download for Windows. The download will start automatically. Wait for it to finish. It usually takes just a few seconds depending on your internet speed. When the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and double-click the file named tradingview.msix. A pop-up will appear asking if you want to install TradingView. Click Yes, then click Install. Wait for the installation to finish. Once done, TradingView will automatically launch. Now you just need to sign in with your TradingView account. If you don't have one yet, you can create it using your browser. It only takes a minute. And that's it. You've successfully installed TradingView on your laptop. You can now start analyzing charts, setting alerts, and exploring all the powerful tools TradingView has to offer. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.